Oh my gosh, today it is 30 degrees in Wisconsin in the Midwest. Stuff is actually melting. I kid you not, 30 degrees. I noticed somebody who lives somewhere else that they're gonna go like, oh, 30 degrees, what is this guy getting so excited about? But I'm here to tell you, 30 degrees is a heat wave right now. Love the WeatherTech mats, but they're too stiff. They need to get a more pliable plastic for part of the mat. They're so stiff you can't bend them. Makes it hard to put them on the mat holder and hold them. Wait, does this suck? There's no pressure. Wow. It's like just nothing. Wimpy as can be. Holy smokies. It's like half the normal pressure it used to have. Yeah. Oh well. It's grumbling, be grateful. If there's anywhere to go with. pretty much useless junk now, these things. Oh. Yeah, they're pretty much useless junk now, these things. Used to be you could spray everything off for $1.50. They remedied that, eh? Now it costs you a whole lot more to do it. On purpose, of course. In the kneecap, that hurt. Felt that right away. Yeah, I felt that hit my kneecap immediately when it did. Our normal should be about 31, 32 degrees this time of the year. We have been negative numbers almost every day, with wind chills that are so bone-chillingly bad that things just fall apart, break, and crumble because it's so very, very cold out as of late. So, we're going to go over to our neighborhood stab and grab car wash here. Literally, you got to be careful at this place. It's very dangerous. We're going to go over here and we're going to hope, God willing, we're going to hope that they have the pumps and stuff open today for car washes. And hey, what do you know? They are open for business and they are rocking, man. I'll bet you they're making a lot of money this weekend. Between yesterday and now today, and today is like the prime pick of the week. It is so nice, and oh my God, there's a big line of cars here. Wow. There is a monster line of cars at this car wash. Whew. Yeah, this is a big line of cars at this car wash. Hubba hubba. I did not think it would be this many at this time of the day. I stood correct. Well, one thing you're going to see on the channel pretty soon here, I ordered a brand new brush cattle guard, grill guard for the front of GFB, and so that will be going on. Should be coming sometime within the week, and then I'll be moving on to building that and putting it together and putting it on. I did not get the more expensive Aries one. It was ridiculously expensive. I bought a more run-of-the-mill, inexpensive-ish one off of Amazon. Not bad looking, a couple $100 for it. But we'll wait and see what it's like. But these for us are in the Midwest are like our primo prime days. If you don't get the car wash in while it's about 28 to 32 degrees, you're pretty much SOL. Because we will plummet right back down into sub-zero and below. Yeah, we will plummet right back down. I mean, we are coming out of a stretch where it was so cold. It was, wow, dangerously, bitterly cold. And I had to be out for that stuff quite a few times for be it snow removal or working on the vehicle or repairs or just basic life, and it was brutal. So today feels like a summer breeze.